Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to remove water stains on glass shower doors. This will be an easy cleaning tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, this is the glass that separates the shower from the rest of the bathroom. The actual glass shower door is over here, okay? But I'm gonna be doing the demonstration over here because the lighting is a little bit better. It's the same type of glass, so whether you're using it on the actual glass shower door or just another piece of glass around the shower, it's gonna be the same process. Now, as you can see right here, this is where I already cleaned. You can see the water stains are gone, and you can see here, I did not clean. So you can see all the water staining along the bottom. All that I'm going to be using for this is a very simple solution. It says vinegar and water on the label. It is actually 1 part cleaning vinegar and 1 part water. You can even use 1 part double strength cleaning vinegar and 1 part water. It's up to you, but essentially you want to use a mixture of cleaning vinegar and water. You can experiment with the proportions, but I just use half and half cleaning vinegar and water, and I use this to clean so many things around the house. It's fantastic. You also need a microfiber cloth because it's soft enough that it won't affect the glass. You don't want to scratch up the glass or damage the glass, and a microfiber cloth is pretty much one of the softest cloths that you can use, okay? And we're going to use one side to clean and then another side to dry, so you only need 1 cloth. So essentially you want to spray your solution. Now look at the actual fogginess and the water stains right now. Just pay attention. You're going to spray your solution, okay? Apply it with a good amount. I don't know what word I'm looking for, but apply with a good amount. You can let it sit if you want, but this does such a great job that you can clean it off pretty much right away. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to take my microfiber cloth and I'm going to just simply rub where I sprayed. And as you can see already, it's taking out and taking off, removing a lot of the water stains. If you still see some staining, spray it again. Wipe it again. You can do this as many times as you want, but you will probably only need to do this maybe once or twice. If you got some bad stain spots, maybe a 3rd time. So let's just do it a 3rd time, but for the most part, it does a fantastic job, as you can see, at removing those water stains, even if they've been built up for a long time. Then what you're going to do is use another part of your microfiber cloth to dry the area that you just wiped and washed, just to make sure you don't get any more water stains on it. And as you can see, like, it's not perfect. I probably will have to go at it one more time, but it is way better. The stains are pretty much gone in such a short period of time. It's that easy. That is how to do it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.